Find or read reviews that people are talking about. Itomoro baby car camera. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. For parents with 2 kids. Dual baby car camera suitable for parents with 2 babies and can display 2 camera at the same time. Upgraded 940nm IRA HD camera focuses on Ultra HD images, perfect for day and night use. 5-inch display with 1080p resolution. Larger than the 4.3-inch, more rapid and accurate information transmission, provide. Crystal clear wide view 1080p resolution display makes easier to observe the baby and everything about the baby at a glance. Adjustable DISP layer. Adjustable brightness, contrast, and saturation to adapt to day and night. Upgraded Ips display adapt wider range of temperatures, high refresh rate and real-time display without image retention/sticking. Ease to installation. Easily assembly. Car camera for baby simply straps to the headrest where car baby camera can be easily adjusted. Install the displayer, connect power supply, then it works. Displayer automatically turns on and switch to baby backseat. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, and important. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell and select all to get instant notifications of all future uploads.